Don't hate me, but I never ate pumpkin before, and I'm not gonna do it soon.
First of all, you are idiot. Second of all, you will eat it today.
Okay.
It's not the way. It's not the way. Huh? What the fuck?
First rule, get naked. After you get naked, let's make pumpkin puree. But you can always find canned pumpkin puree. Second rule, always use fresh ingredients. Fresh ingredient, fresh food. Goodbye Jack, goodbye Sue, goodbye Jack and Sue. I learned English from them. We need a pan for every food.
If you're doing it inside, put your pumpkins on a very low heat. You have to do it for 2 hours. But I'm outside.
Oh fuck.
I try to not burn it.
Let's build up fire. And now we add a cup of water. Not more, not less. Just a cup.
Meanwhile, let's make our dough. Add 3 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, sour paste. Then we need add 2 cups of milk. And now mix it! We have to mix it for 20 minutes and let it rest for 2 hours.
So soft.
1 hour 59:58, 1 hour 59:59, 2 hours. Now let's with our dough. Then place the oil paper into the pan. Make sure to fill all the corners. Time for our main ingredient. This is our pumpkin puree. We will add 3 eggs. Add 1 cup of cream, little bit of salt, 1 cup of brown sugar. Then you should add pumpkin spice, but I like to make it myself. The main ingredients are vanilla, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and clove. Clove. Mix it.
The mix should have density like this. Pour it into the pan. This is so nice. Let it bake on fire for half an hour.
It's been 20 minutes. Let's check it.
Wow. It's almost done.
I will let it for 5 more minutes.
The pie is not ready. Weather is rainy. What the fuck? Why you don't subscribe? This page f me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So delicious. So delicious.
This is the masterpiece we made. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you.